In this demonstration, we're going to show you how transparent I/O can dynamically bring I/O to an existing transparent LUN that does not have enough I/O to meet this desired request. So we're going to perform this test on volume J. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what the transparent LUN is that is behind drive J. And you'll see it has two extents, and we'll dump those two extents. Both those extents happen to be of local drives. We're going to dynamically add an extent later in this demonstration that will come from the target Fusion IO card that is in another server. What you see in front of you is perfmon, again, doing reads per second, and on the right-hand side, tracking the number of SLA violations. So in PowerShell, we're going to go set a wait event that will wait until an SLA violation has occurred. So now what we're going to do is we're going to launch disk speed, which will be doing random 4K reads on the J drive. And you'll see that we're actually able to get somewhere around 500 to 600 IOPS. There's currently no SLAs that have been set on this transparent LUN. So now we're going to set a read SLA for 1000 IOPS on this drive. The way this transparent LUN is constructed, there are about 1000 IOPS available. Now we're going to go request 2000 IOPS, which don't exist. And you'll notice in the left-hand side in the PowerShell script there was a violation on that event, and you'll notice on the right-hand side the count went up for the number of SLA violations. So now we've gone and dynamically added what we call an assist extent. So now we'll dump that same transparent LUN, and we'll notice that now there's a third extent that's been added. If we take a look at that third extent, we'll see that that comes from PCIe Flash, and you'll notice the tag says assist extent. I'm going to show you the disk is actually the target Fusion disk that's associated with the assist extent. Now we have to set it to 2000 IOPS, and now we're pulling 2000 IOPS from an extent that we added dynamically based on an SLA violation in PowerShell.